They doubt you. They laugh at you. They don't believe in you. Good. That means you've just been handed a fire. Now use it. The feeling of being alone. You ever feel like no one's on your side? Like the world isn't just ignoring you, it's pushing you down. People talk behind your back. They celebrate when you fail. Every step you take forward, life hits you with 2 steps back. And you start thinking, why me? Why is everything so hard? But what if I told you? That's exactly what you need. Turning pain into power. You see, pressure creates 2 types of people. Those who break and those who build muscle. When the world pushes you, push harder. When they doubt you, sharpen your focus. When they reject you, become undeniable. Every no, every setback, let it push you. Let it wake up the part of you that's done pretending to be average. The inner shift. There comes a moment where you stop needing their approval. You stop chasing applause, and you start building, in silence. While they talk, you train. While they post, you work. While they sleep, you rise. You stop asking, why is life so hard? And start asking, how strong can I become? That's the shift. That's where things change. Not on the outside, but in you. Direct message to the viewer. If you feel like everyone is against you, good. That means you're not one of them. That means you're not meant to fit in. You're meant to rise. You're meant to build something no one believes in, until it's too big to ignore. So don't waste time proving them wrong. Prove yourself right. The world doesn't owe you a thing, but you owe yourself the fight. You owe yourself the future. You owe yourself the version of you that no one clapped for, but you built anyway. Let them doubt. Let them talk. Let them hate. But never let them stop you.